Okay, I'm disassembling an H1F Fork tube assembly. It's currently mounted on an H2, just so I can get the cap off, which is the first step. So they're clamped in the triple trees, and you just unloosen the top like this. Until you get to the very end, and it'll pop off a little bit with the spring pressure. Just a little bit of a pop. Taking that cap off makes draining the oil a lot easier, which is the next step. And here's your drain screw right here. And you just remove it like this. And there she goes. Okay, now that it's off the bike, let's remove the internals. Cap's already off. So remove the spacer. That's the first piece. Then, the second piece is this little tiny piece that goes on the end of the spring. Then comes the spring. A little bit of oil is going to come out, so no big deal. And there's your spring. Okay, next thing is popping off this rubber boot. And this one here would have to be replaced because it is dry rotted to the max, as you can see. But it comes off pretty easy. Just got to work it around. After you get the boot off, you just go in with a small screwdriver and just pop this little retaining clip out. Once the retaining clip is out, then this retaining washer that's on top of the seal can just slide right off. Okay, just removing the lower clamp, axle clamp, so you can gain access to the Allen bolt on the bottom. So for the next step, you're going to need an impact driver to get the Allen bolt out, unless you have the special tool that slides down the outer tube. And you simply stick the impact in and give it a couple shots. And out she comes. Then you simply remove the Allen bolt. And with that Allen bolt removed, the upper and lower assembly should come apart by just pulling on the tube gently. Just like that. And this is what you should see on the inside. This pops right off. This is just like that. So we'll remove that. Okay, and now we'll push the assembly. Okay, and we will just move this over here and let this fall out. Just like that, so you can see exactly comes out on the inside. And you just have the mechanism, spring on it like that.